Well, no parade in the Midwest is complete without a display of the farm vehicles. And here comes a big John Deere tractor, and look at that! That's the biggest cow I've ever seen in my life. That's Daisy, Michigan Milk Producers Association, and it's followed by a convoy of tractors. Look at all those babies. Not as far as the eye can see, but it's a block-long supply of tractors. Oh, that's cool. We got the International Harvester, the McCormick brand. We got the John Deere. And here comes some more internationals. Wow. Looks like a train's worth of tractors. The first guy is driving and all the rest of the seats are empty. They got them locked down there, and that's some real towing power that they got going there. Holy cow. Well, that's the International Farm Hall. Another farm hall. Another farm hall. Boy, these babies all look like they're pretty old, but they're painted up so nice they look like they're brand new. You can get them with a front end loader. And they even let girls drive them. Holy cow. Yeah, there's just a couple of farmers here in Hillsdale County. And the parade's almost over because I see the semi-trucks at the end. That means that we backed up traffic long enough. So it's up to the cemetery where they have the Veterans Memorial, and there's going to be a big service up there, I'm sure. So happy Memorial Day, folks.